There's gold, nice gold over here. And if you look at the board, it's gold all the way across here. These screens usually have some pretty decent gold screens like this. Compared to obviously the old school CRT ones. Let's try to move the other board. Give me 1 second here. I'll remove this board here. There's another nice, decent sized board with some good gold on it. So look at that. All of this over here is just all gold. All of this at the bottom here. All nice, very nice gold. And you also have this connector up here. All gold. Some gold within the board here. Obviously some IC chips. Monolithic capacitors, which I usually love. I've mentioned this a lot of time. Very nice piece of gold. And even here, these little connectors, kind of hard to see, but all of you, I'm going to cut these and they all have gold in them. So let's try to see what else. We continue going into this, see what else we can find within the screen. I don't think there's much left, but you know, you never know. Sometimes you find things when you open these a little more, but I doubt it. If anything, maybe some more wire, and that's pretty much it. So obviously some steel, nothing special there. Hey everyone, how's everything going? Hopefully all of you are making good money scrapping. So I had a friend who got a little angry at his TV, kind of smashed the screen. So this guy here, I think it's about 42 inches. Unfortunately, the screen is cracked, at least the internal screen thing, I think it's called the digitizer or something. That's busted up. In my area, no one wants these. Usually it's a power supply or a board that's broken, people might buy them. But once the screen is actually cracked, no one wants them. And I'm pretty sure this is an older TV. Also, I think it looks kind of like a HDMI, sorry, not HDMI, a LCD plasma TV. So people don't really